If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed that grows into a completely different life, it would be this. Financially magnetic women don't think differently once they become successful. They think differently every single day before it happens. A financially magnetic woman doesn't wake up asking, what if things don't work out? She wakes up with different internal dialogue. How can I grow today? What can I build today? How can I move closer to the life I want? Her mindset is not based on fear, it is based on expansion. She sees herself as someone who is evolving, someone who is improving, someone who is becoming more aligned every day. And because she identifies as woman who grows, she stops seeing challenges as problems. She starts seeing them as a part of the process. And this way of thinking shapes her daily behavior. She doesn't wait to feel ready. She takes action anyway. She doesn't overthink every step. She focuses on progress. She doesn't waste time comparing herself to others. She focuses on her own path. She invests time in learning, improving, and building, even on days when motivation is low, because she understands something powerful. Your daily thoughts become your daily actions, and your daily actions become your future. So instead of thinking, this is too hard, she thinks, this is building me. Instead of thinking, what if I fail? She thinks, what will I learn? That shift alone changes everything. But daily thinking is heavily influenced by what surrounds you. Financially magnetic women are intentional about their environment. They don't consume content that fills their mind with negativity. They don't stay in conversation that revolves around complaints and limitations. They choose environment that reflect growth, ideas and possibilities, because what you see daily becomes what you believe, and what you believe becomes how you think, and how you think becomes how you live. So they place themselves physically or digitally in places that expand their vision, spaces that challenge them, spaces that remind them that more is possible. So if you want to start thinking like a financially magnetic woman, don't wait for a big moment. Start with the daily thoughts. Pay attention to what you tell yourself when things feel uncertain. Notice the patterns, notice the doubts, notice the limits you have been unconsciously accepting, and then gently begin to shift them. Because small thoughts don't feel powerful in the moment, they feel insignificant, easy to ignore, but repeated daily, they become beliefs. Those beliefs becomes your identity, and your identity quietly shapes your entire life. So instead of waking up and repeating the same limited thoughts, choose differently. Choose thoughts that expand you, thoughts that challenge you, thoughts that move you forward, even if you don't fully believe them yet. Because financially magnetic women don't wait to feel confident before they think bigger. They train their mind to think bigger until it becomes natural. They don't wait for proof before they shift. They become the proof. And over time, something powerful happens. You stop reacting to life and you start creating it. You stop seeing obstacles as endings and start seeing them as redirection. You stop asking, why is this happening to me? And start asking, how is this shaping me? And that shift changes everything, because the life you want is not created in one decision, it is created in the thoughts you repeat daily. So protect your mind, upgrade your thinking, and be intentional about what you allow to become normal for you, because one day you won't recognize the version of yourself who used to think small, who used to doubt, who used to hold back, because you didn't just wait for better life, you build it through the way you choose to think every single day. Thank you for being here.